How dare you cheat on me with a fucking cat?
You don't understand. She was provoking me.
Lily, darling, could you please bring me a cup of the water? I feel so thirsty for some reason. Okay, Grandma.
Breaking news! New flavor in water dispenser from Happy Man Incorporated turned out a complete disaster. Its flavoring syrup contains unstable radioactive component that can lead to fast mutations and brain damage. There are already accidents when people who drink water out of it started to attack nearest living creatures that led to their death. So, if you have one of these machines, call 911 and...
Thank you, Lazy. What would I do?